Yep, it's the 3x3 Rubik's Cube right here. And today I'm going to show you how I solved it. Well, yeah, here it is scrambled. Well, now I'm just going to start by doing this slice move right here. Yeah, I'm just trying to do it as close as I can right now because, yeah, I don't want the camera to be blurring out or anything. Yeah, what I use a huge portion of the beginner's method for this. It's right now where I'm fastest. And yeah, don't know if this is part of the beginner method, but hold on. There we go. Hold on. Yeah, like this. Now what I did here was this. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, that set of moves, well, see, I'm going to show you this set of moves right now. So R, U, R prime, U prime, then F prime, then U prime, then F. And I'm going to do it again to get this one to here. So yeah, this one goes over here. Now time to get this one to over here. And yeah, I now have this line right here, but these aren't. Yeah, okay, don't. It's fine that these aren't. It's fine that these edge pieces aren't orientated yet. We'll be doing that afterward. Don't know how that worked. Now, for here, I have two orientated edge pieces. This one's going to be on the back, this one's going to be on the right. And now I'm going to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U twice, then R prime. And now I'm going to do U once more. And yeah, now all of the edges are orientated. And yeah, we're going to be solving the corners last. And right now yeah, sorry about that. The camera just fell. So yeah, now we're going to be orientating the corners. This one's already orientated. And if you don't have any corners orientated, that's fine. You can just use its algorithm anyways. So R, U, no. Okay, so U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. I have all of my corners orientated, but if you don't, just do that set of moves until you do. And feel free to pause the video to do that, because I'm just going to be solving the corners right now. So yeah, to solve the corners, you do R prime, then D prime, then R, then D twice. hold on. So this is doing R prime D prime R D once. This is doing it the second time. So yeah, you need to do that algorithm twice to do it, to solve that part. And now you want to do U. And since the yellow side of this corner piece is right here instead of here, we have to do that algorithm 4 times, which like 1, okay, R prime D prime R D, that's 1 time. R prime D prime R D, that's the second time. Now the white part of the corner is here. And now I do that algorithm 2 more times. We're not doing this just yet. First we're going to solve these 2 corners here, and then we'll solve the rest. Then we'll turn the yellow side so the cube would be solved. And yeah, sorry if I'm not speaking clearly. So yeah, we're going to do that algorithm 4 more times for this corner and 2 more times for this corner. So yeah, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D. Yeah, I'm just going to stop saying it now. And yeah, there you go. Now it's solved. And yeah, about this side, I didn't really explain this side very well, let alone at all. So yeah, first you just want to solve this side with and the first layer at the same time. Then you can move on to the second. Then you can move on to the second layer, and then you can move on to what was difficult instructing, which was the top layer. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you next time.